This is for the intersection of Airport Road and River Road. Casey's General Store is right here on the corner. County's working on a project to mill and overlay all the way from Pekegam Avenue east out on River Road to the city limits. So that project is bid and they'll be doing construction this summer. But our main involvement is the intersection at Airport Road and River Road, and that's going to be to remove the signal and install a roundabout. So here's kind of a picture of what that would look like. North-south is Airport Road, and east-west here is River Road.
That is the only city-owned streetlight in the city. The rest are owned by other entities, generally MnDOT. That's happening in this project, and so our portion is corresponding when they're working on that road. There will be a detour for a short amount of time this summer.
That work will be taking place this summer, later in the summer, probably in August, but work will be taking place along River Road all summer in various capacities.